Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today we're out in Canada and we've got a great Cadillac for you with Steve Plunkett, who has a bunch of great Cadillacs. This one, well, I'll let you determine for yourself. What year, make, and model is this one, Steve?
It's a 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible.
This one, well, it's one of my favorites that he has, and we'll take a look at that. The single headlight, let me get right in front of it. I guess you'd call it a hood ornament, but it looks more like two slicers put on a hood to go through the air. The beautiful badge, the big V. Take a look at that bumper. Steve, how long have you had this one?
Probably 15 years now.
Okay. Why this one out of all the cars in the world?
Well, I saw it at one of the car auctions. It looked so stunning, and it was so perfectly restored that they had it up on a pedestal on an angle with mirrors under it. So it's as good underneath as it is on top. Absolutely beautiful.
Wow. You've got this chrome right in here, and then that windshield. Just so well done. I even think the side vent windows look great on this one. Clearly, it's a convertible. But let's, while we're up in the front, let's open up the hood for a moment, shall we?
Okay, sure.
Oh, that's wonderful. Looks like a brand new car. What's the cubic inch?
It's a 365 cubic inch, 4-barrel Carter carburetor on it.
Okay. You could see Cadillac right there. And this is where you check the brake fluid?
Yes.
And here's the
Power brake booster.
Power brake booster. You know, it looks like it's actually kind of not too bad to work on either, if you had
Lots
to.
of space.
This is your oil filter.
Yes.
It's nice to have it on top like that.
And the power steering on the other side.
And there's that power steering, as it says right there. And that big air cleaner that you can see there. Let's fire it up, shall we?
Okay.
I will step back from it. I'll show you all the angles. But since we're up front, I thought I'd give you exhaust actually does come through those exhaust outlets. Steve, can we step on the brakes for a second? There's your brake lights. Go ahead, give it a rev. The fire-breathing dragon. Another kick down. I think it's a little high rev right now. This guy's gonna stay right there. All right, we'll shut that down for a moment. We'll close that hood. I'll step back from it. Automotive perfection. That's just great. And I'll also show it to you what it looks like with the top up. I thought I'd show it to you with the top up. And the black and what looks to be orange look just spectacular. Just like that. Wow. Steve, can we take the top down?
You sure can.
Thank you. And as we take a look at some of the features, I mean, I could see why this one would be easy to bid on. I like how that piece right there fits. Is it just turn signals there? Are they both turn signals down on the bumper?
One turn signal and one parking light.
Got it. Okay. We have the mirror there. This nice chrome piece. It's not the Eldorado, but the Series 62 has just enough chrome. I'll come back to the interior, but I want to show this tail. I think just the right fin height and just the right amount
I can show
of
you
tail.
where the gas goes in.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I think I know, but go ahead, show me.
The whole taillight assembly.
Nice. Just like that. Sweet. You've got that wonderful V and the crest right there. The chrome dripping off that. And while we're back here, well, we've got some trunk and treats. As we open up our trunk, I've previously opened this up. You could see that's a very thin brochure that continues to open up, showing you the different lineups, like so. And for just, I'll show you that and that. And as we flip this back over, I will show you the opposite side very carefully as we turn this around, like so, showing you the different vehicles here, like so. And there's the spectacular Eldorado Baritz. And the one we have is the famous 62 Convertible here, like so. Then we have Cadillac's crowning achievement. You can see that there. The crowning achievement. Talking about the coach crafters, the great photography, the people all having a great time, world famous engineers, the great tail end, and there's your Cadillac models there, as you can see. And that's real chalk. Warning. And that's our trunk and treats. And we'll show the interior. May I open it?
Mm-hmm.
You can see the different color inserts in the back. You have this two-tone look here. As you look here, you've got your ashtray, your power window, like so. Your door sill here with your Cadillac emblem there, place for your arm, a little chrome. Take a look at that. This nice chrome strip up the middle. You're greeted by the word Cadillac. Different adjustable seats. Your emergency brake, your gas. That's your heater up the center. Your radio. That clock, I'll show you. First of all, you can see the word Cadillac over there, and as you watch the clock, you can see that second hand is moving. So that clock works. You have your gas, your ventilation. easy to understand. Your nice 2-spoke wheel. Everything makes perfect sense. Your top lights, wiper, and your power windows. Let's take a look under the hood. I'm sorry, we've already done that. I think it's just time to take it for a ride. There we go. So here we are in the Cadillac Series 62 convertible, and the color on this one, well, it's just striking. Can't beat that.
Stands out in the crowd, that's for sure.
What is it when you bring this car to, is this just create a crowd around it, or?
Gets attention for sure.
Yeah.
Just by color alone.
Is that what drew you in when you were looking for this one?
Color, condition,
Yeah.
presence, everything about it.
Well, it feels like a brand new car, and I just want to show those spears just cutting through the air. We'll give you a little bit of this ride. I mean, especially the Cadillacs from the 50s, and you have many of them, they're so much fun. I mean, this one, I think, with the single headlight and the fins, I kind of like the single headlight look. This one has just beautiful styling to it, and just the right amount of proportions everywhere. Not too much fin, not too many headlights, just right. It's one of the reasons why the 57 is one of my favorite Cadillacs of all time. Whether it's the Series 62 or the Eldorado, either one is fine with me. And of course, the convertible is just the cat's meow. So this is really a treat.
Not really heavy on chrome either, is it?
Yeah, no, it's got the right amount, I think. I usually like a lot of chrome, but I'm okay with this one not having as much because it has more than enough.
Yep.
That's definitely for sure. Anything else I should know about this car?
See the little tumbler clock?
Yeah, no,
On this one as well?
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see that it continues to move and it's operational. Yeah, this is really great. That's such a nice little feature, seeing the second hand kind of rolling around behind the big numbers, I'll call it. And it's really turned out to be a nice day to drive this car for sure.
It's actually improving. It's nicer.
Yeah. Beautiful ride, beautiful scenery. It's just really the perfect Cadillac for the perfect moment. Steve, what a treat. Thanks so much for letting us come on out and video some of your cars and having so much fun in this one for sure. Thanks so much for being on My Car Story.
I'm glad you came out.
Thank you.